1000 kg of sphalerite concentrate containing 60% ZnS is completely roasted with a stoichiometric amount of pure oxygen. The amount of oxygen required is, so we will write the roasting reaction of zinc, which is 2 zinc sulfide plus 3 O2 equals to 2 ZnO plus 2 SO2. In this case we can see every 2 moles of ZnS requires 3 moles of O2. The mass of zinc ZnS equals to 60% of 1000 kg, which is 600 kg. Molecular weight of ZnS is 65 plus 32, 97 gram per mole. So moles of ZnS we can write as 600 kg, the given weight divided by molecular weight, that is 97. It's a kg, it's gram per mole, so it's 600 into 10 to the power 3 gram, 97 gram per mole, so it should be 6185.57 mole. Now the moles of O2 required equal to 3/2 into moles of ZnS. So it should be 3/2 into 6185.57. It's coming to be 9278.36 moles. Now mass of O2 will be molecular weight of O2 into moles, so it should be 32 into this number, so it should be coming 296.9 kg. So for this question the answer should be 296.9 kg.